Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. First things first, open Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Search and look for a video that you want to download. Once you found your chosen video, click on it. On the lower part, click this three dot and copy the link. This time, go to your browser. Type Pinterest Video Downloader. Go to its website and paste the copied link of the video right here. After that, tap Download and then wait for seconds to process. Then click the video. This time, click these three dots below and choose this download. You see, the video is now starting to download. After downloading, you can now try to play the video in your gallery. Alright? So that's how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.